Hi, this is Miss Serratis. In this video, we're going to look at the MIT App Inventor. If you click on the link in Google Classroom, it should take you to this page, which are the beginning tutorials. So there are several tutorials here that has some introductory code. They're down below. The first one's called Hello Cody. Next one is Talk to Me. It's two parts. So here's part one. There's part two. Next is the ball bounce. And then after that is the digital doodle. So included for most of these are a video and PDF directions, but this is also contained within the tutorial itself. So the way that you do it, so we'll start with the Hello Cody, is you just click on where it says tutorial, and that'll take you to this. Well, get to sign in with your Gmail account, school account, and that'll take you to this page here, which is where all of your projects get saved. But if you look at the left, the tutorial will be at the left. So here's the welcome screen. Don't have to worry about setting up your computer because that should be all set. But the first one that we were looking at was called Hello Cody. So you go to Hello Cody and you see that there are 16 steps. So you just walk through all the steps and you'll get that one done. But I just wanted to point out that for this particular one, you just walk through all the steps and you'll get it done. Oops. Let me show you. Now, some others actually have some videos built in. So if I go to this tutorial, for example, and this one was called a Talk to Me, you'll see there's a video here. So you should be watching your video to help you. You don't need to do the set up your computer because we're all set. But there is the steps with the Talk to Me. So part one, and if I scroll down, the Talk to Me part two. So for this assignment, what I'd like you to do is I want you to work on each of these tutorials, and there will be a post in Google Classroom so that you can put the Hello Cody, the Talk to Me, part one, part two, ball bounce, and the digital doodle. Have fun coding. Bye.